Today, I'll show you how to export iPhone contacts to Gmail. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. If you want your iPhone contacts to appear in your Gmail or Google account, the cleanest method is usually to export your contacts from iPhone as a vCard file, then import that file into Google Contacts. Apple says iPhone can export some or all contacts, and Google says Google Contacts can import vCard files. Let's start on the iPhone. Open the Contacts app, tap Lists at the top left, then touch and hold a list. Apple says you can then tap Export, choose the fields you want to include, and finish the export. This creates a contact file you can save or share. On some setups, people also use iCloud contacts on the web to export contacts as a vCard file, which Apple officially supports too. Once you have that exported file, open a browser on a computer or phone and go to Google Contacts while signed in to the Gmail account where you want the contacts stored. Google says you can use the import option, select the vCard file, and upload it. After that, the contacts are added to your Google account. Now, if your goal is not just to import them once, but also to keep your Google contacts available on your iPhone, Google says you can add your Google account on iPhone and turn contacts on for that account. To do that, open Settings, tap Contacts, then Accounts, tap your Google account, and switch Contacts on. One helpful tip is to check for duplicates after the import, especially if some of those contacts already existed in Google. That way your Gmail contacts stay clean and organized. And once the import is complete, those contacts will be available anywhere you sign in with that same Google account. And that's how to export iPhone contacts to Gmail. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.